So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Bionic Bee. In today's video, we are going to explore a new generative AI tool that is Firefly from the company Adobe. Now this tool can be useful in many things, create YouTube thumbnails, and also it can be very much useful when you are creating any office presentation. So without wasting any time, let's experiment and explore the new tool. So you can just type firefly.adobe.com in your web browser and this page will come up, and here you can just click on sign in option, and then you can sign in using Facebook account or Google account or your Apple ID also. I do already have one ID created. Once you sign on to this website, you are going to see this as a home page where we have the first tab as text to image. So let's click on generate. And here we have multiple examples of how we can create text to images. It seems to be a very high resolution image. Yeah, in the right side panel, we can change the aspect ratio to 4:3, 3:4, 16:9, and many more. So let's see if we click on any of this, is it going to change the image or it's going to be same? It does change the image slightly, but mostly the context of the image is going to be same. And if I create a widescreen 16:9, and here in the content type we have clicked on none by default. If I uncheck this and I click on art as a form, then we will have image with the art kind of texture. Nice. Now if we click on graphics, then it is going to give something like this. So there are multiple options, and also in the style we have multiple style to create. So popular, movement, theme, or 3D art. Okay, well, there are multiple options what you can explore in this. I'm creating on 3D art, and the content type is graphics. So let's see how it creates now. Even I can select the color tone of the picture I wanted to generate. So okay, it does look like 3D a bit, and the lighting condition also. So if I want to create something of my own, I can just go to ChatGPT and I can type provide text to image. Here from ChatGPT, we are going to generate different prompts for a futuristic world. So let's say I will create this as a text to image, and I'm going to put it here, and I'll clear all the style and I'll just try to generate the image. It's taking a bit time, but wow. So these are very beautiful images. And if I want to create a cartoon type of image, yeah. So it can do a lot of things. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail where I want a futuristic time machine, a time machine with so many cables and supercomputer connected to it. Okay, so this is how it shows us a time machine. Now this is a cartoon image. If I want to see a real image, and the theme is going to be a 3D art, not a cartoon, and it is automatically generating this. Okay, so now this looks a bit more realistic. It does have different options like color tone, lighting, or composition, where you can see multiple options. Let's say I select a blur background and I want to generate this image. Oh, now this is beautiful. This is much realistic than the previous one what we see. Now we can download this image, but once we open this image here, we can see a logo of the image is not for commercial use is what the Firefly team has written. Use a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones. Let's upload one image. So this is the image what I have downloaded. Now I want to remove this. Let's say I have a brush already. I want to remove this. So remove this, let's say. Okay, it removed it completely. Nice. Now I want a different variant. Maybe I will select this one. I'll keep this. Make red cable to neon green. Okay, it doesn't create the color, but yeah, but it is able to understand that I'm selecting the red cable. Okay, let me keep this, and I can also select background. Okay, I can save this image. This is the background. I can inverse it. I can change the background also. Now I have selected the background, and I wanted to create something like, you know, this a scientific lab in moon. So I'll generate this. This image looks more realistic. It looks like it's there in space. and this looks like alien now to me also. Now I'll click on generate. Okay, now it does create. Oh, this looks like an alien also. Okay, so you can see this tool is pretty good in creating things, and it can remove things also. So there are multiple example you can create from here. You can try this example just to see. So let's see this lady, I want to make her cry. So I want to change her face to a crying face. Okay, so this is beautiful. So this lady is crying now. But yeah, I'm impressed the way the tool is creating different kind of images, and this is beautiful. This is, guys, I mean, this is what next gen is all about. Like the new generative tools nowadays are very intelligent, and they can recognize exactly what part you are selecting and what it can do. So if I try to make something weird from this image, hopefully it is going to stop me from doing it, because people can do very nasty thing using this tool. But again, being a generative AI developer, I suggest you to not misuse this kind of tools. Now, without wasting any time, let's see the last tool, what they have published. No, we have another one. We have generative recolor as well. And the last tool is text effects. So if we click on this tool, then what it says that I can see already so many example. We have something known as the enter text here, describe the text effects you want to generate. So, okay, let's see. I want to create a text of Bionic Bee, which is my YouTube channel. I want to create it look like it's in space. Let's see what it creates. So I can draw flowers, snakes, or driftwood, or anything. Maybe I'll try to create water. It's taking a bit time to load, but using this tool you can create your own logos. It is beautiful. It is fantastic. So now here you can see this is the text image what we got. Now if I download this, then I can copy paste this in any website, I guess. So I'll just see it in the download folder. I'll right click, I'll just copy on it, create YouTube thumbnail. I'll go to Canva, and boom, here we have the text effect what we need. We have sketch to image, which is coming in exploration now, and we have 3D to images. Excellent. So we can create our 3D maps and we can upload it here, and it can give color and it can create images out of it. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and be one of my first 1000 subscriber, and do not forget to share and like the video as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.